Welcome back, folks, and yes, it's the Svea 123R yet again. I had a few inquiries about silent dampers for the Svea. Makes it a bit quieter, you don't get the same chuff noise. So here we have the Svea with its flame plate on. We'll just take it off and we'll prepare it for lighting. I always just remove it, make sure there's no pressure in it before I do anything. And we'll just make sure that the key is totally over to closed. Now my Svea does needs a little bit of an adjustment on it, as the valve always has a little bit of flame even when totally closed. We're using bioethanol today to prime it, and we'll just get it ready. Now I have the chain attached again to the windshield from the last time we didn't do that. This is handy because this fits in perfectly. Now we won't be boiling anything up today. What we'll be doing is just comparing flame pattern and the sound that you get from either the spreader plate or the silent damper. And there we have it. As you can see, just a little bit of flame coming out. Now I'll just take the mic up close so you can have a listen to this. That's at that full blast. A little bit of pulsing. But you can hear the roar of the petrol stove. Now we'll just let that cool down and then we'll introduce the silent damper. Okay, we've taken off the windshield and the spreader plate using a pair of pliers. This will probably never sit on exactly the way I wanted to before. I'll have to crimp it back in, but never mind. This is the Berniedawg silent damper. I don't know if you can see that there. It's got the little paw print on it. It's genuine. BD C5. This one works in the Optimus 8R, the Svea 123, similar burners. It could probably, I would expect it would probably work in one of my Primus 71s. I haven't tried it. Basically, the vapor goes through there and out the holes at the side and creates a flame pattern more like an isobutane gas stove or a paraffin kerosene stove. Now I've taken off the windshield. This sits inside with the help of these legs. Hopefully everything is cooled down enough. I'll prime it up again. I've already released the pressure from there just to make sure. We'll use some more alcohol to prime it. Step 1, you'll be able to see the flame pattern. We'll also have a quick listen to hear the difference. And I'll splice in both just so that you can hear it. Now, if you want to remove the Berniedawg, you're going to have to wait until everything cools down, because it will lock itself into the bowl. Hopefully you heard the significant difference in the sound between using the spreader cap and the Berniedawg. It's a very nice little piece of engineering. It's a shame that, as far as I know, I saw a post from him quite a while ago saying he was no longer making these. I'm glad that I have this one and that I can use it on so many different stoves that I have if I want to. It does make a more controllable flame, I think, and it does reduce the sound. Now, I'm usually solo backpacking in the wilds, but sometimes I will be down at a campsite, use the showers, get a beer, etc. And if I have an early start and I'm making myself a coffee, the worst thing that all the other campsite users are going to have to put up with is my Svea going off at full blast with the flame spreader on at 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning when they're having a long lie. So in that case, I would probably think ahead and I would take the Berniedawg. What one light has gone out, but never mind. So, quick video. There we have it. The lovely Svea 123 with the Berniedawg silent damper. Okay, hopefully you've enjoyed this short video. The lights are all failing on me, so we'll leave it here. Until the next time, bye bye.